those who strive with me. Fight against those who fight against me. Take hold of shield and armor, and rise for my help, and draw out spear and lance to meet those who pursue me. Say to my life, I'm your deliverance. Let those be ashamed and blush who seek my life. Let those be turned back and abashed who plot evil to me. Let them be as chaff before the wind, with a messenger of Yahuah driving on. Let their way be dark and slippery, with a messenger of Yahuah pursuing them. For without cause they hid their net for me. Without cause they dig a pit for my life. Let ruin come upon him unawares, and let his net that he hid catch himself. Let him fall in it into ruin. But let my own being exalt in Yahuah. Let it rejoice in his deliverance. Let all my bones say, Yahuah is like you, delivering the poor from one stronger than he, and the poor and the needy from him who robs him. Maliciousnesses rise up. They ask me that which I knew not. They reward me evil for good, reaping my life. But I, when they are sick, I put on sackcloth. I humble my being with fastings, and my prayer would return to my own bosom. I walked about as though he were my friend or brother, about down mourning, one mourning for mother. But they rejoiced at my stumbling, and gathered together. The smiters gathered against me, and I did not know it. They tore in pieces without ceasing, with unclean ones, mockers at feasts, gnashing at me with their teeth. Yahuah, how long would you look on? Rescue my being from their destructions, my only one from the lions. I give you thanks in the great assembly. I praise you among a mighty people, that not my lying enemies rejoice over me, or those who hate me without cause wink their eyes. For they do not speak peace, but they devise words of deceit against the peaceable ones of the land. And they open their mouth wide against me. They said, Aha, our eyes have seen it. This you have seen, O Yahuah. Do not be silent, O Yahuah. Do not be far from me. Stir up yourself and awake to my right ruling, to my cause, my Elohim and Adonai. Rule me rightly, O Yahuah, my Elohim, according to your righteousness, and let them not rejoice over me. Let them not say in their hearts a hard desire. Let them not say, we have swallowed him up. Let those who are rejoicing at my evil be ashamed and abashed altogether. Let those who are exalting themselves over me be clad in shame and humiliation. Let those who delight in my righteousness cause shout for joy and be glad. Let them always say, let Yahuwah be made great, who is desiring the peace of his servants. And my tongue shall speak of your righteousness, your praise all day long.